Today in this video lecture, I will guide you for raft foundation, and I will show you practically some common mistakes in the construction of raft foundation, especially in its steel reinforcement. So therefore, watch this video till the end to learn something new on construction site. Let's start, guys. Guys, you can see clearly, these are steel reinforcement for raft foundation. So you can see clearly the common mistake. At the end, you can see the hooks which are open. So they should provide binding wire. They should bind these hooks with each other. So this is the common mistake. Guys, if you are working on construction site, so avoid these kind of mistakes. How much time it will take when you are binding these with each other? Actually, the laborers are just making fun on construction site. These are mega project. Actually, first of all, we should know why we are providing the raft foundation. Guys, you can see. So this is not the proper design. The depth of the bit is 9 inches, but in the drawing this is 12 inches. So the total depth of the bit is 18 inches. So on the top we have 3-inch concrete cover, and the bottom we have 3-inch concrete cover. So it will be 18 inches, the total depth of the raft foundation in the drawing. Guys, you can see the steel rods which are broken. Look here. So we don't have any development length, so there they should use the lapping length if there is any problem like this. But unfortunately, they leave this kind of things on site. Remember, guys, why we are providing raft foundation. So remember, when we have the low bearing capacity of soil, mean the soil has a low bearing capacity, in that case we should provide raft foundation. When the load of the structure has to be distributed over a large area, in that case. The third, when we have individual footing or other foundation, and it can cover approximately more than 50% of the total ground area, so in that case we will provide raft foundation. If the column or wall are placed so closely, so in that individual footings would overlap, so in that case we should provide raft foundation. Okay? Or if we have stressed in the soil, so need to be reduced, in that case we should provide raft foundation. So therefore, when we require to provide raft foundation, and if someone is making like this kind of mistake, so this is not good. Look here, guys, this is the single mesh, so it's okay in the drawing. But when we see the double mesh and raft foundation, same like this. Inside, guys, you can see we have also the chairs. So the chair spacing should not be more than 1 meter, okay? But here, guys, you can see this is about 2 meter, 2.5 meter. But in mega projects, okay, but actually in normal residential building or for three story, okay, it should not be more than it should not be more than 2 meter for normal residential building, okay? But for mega project, it should not be more than 1 meter. That's why, because chairs are very important, because chair can maintain the spacing between main bars, distribution bars, so therefore it's very important its spacing to provide properly. Guys, you can see. At the end of the bed, steel reinforcement are open, it's not closed. And some spacing between main bars and distribution bars are not same.